Unlock the power to transform your ordinary photos into extraordinary visual stories with Higgsfield AI. Let's dive into how Higgsfield AI can elevate your images. First, navigate to the Higgsfield AI platform and simply click the Upload Image button to bring your chosen photo into the workspace. Once your image is loaded, you'll see a range of intuitive editing tools ready to be explored. Start with the Enhance feature. A simple slider allows you to instantly boost brightness, contrast, and color saturation, bringing out the best in your shot without complicated adjustments. But Higgsfield AI is more than just enhancements. Explore the creative filters for a touch of artistic magic. Here you can apply various AI-powered filters. Imagine giving your landscape a timeless vintage look or a dramatic cinematic flair with just a single click. Ready for some serious creative control? Head to AI Transformations for more advanced capabilities. Need to isolate your subject? The background removal tool intelligently detects and removes distracting backgrounds, giving you a clean canvas for creative projects. Or perhaps you want to infuse your image with a completely new artistic style. Style Transfer can apply the essence of famous paintings or artistic movements to your photographs. With Higgsfield AI, refining detail, applying mood-setting filters, and transforming your images with intelligent AI is incredibly straightforward. Elevate your visual storytelling and create stunning, impactful images with precision and ease. Discover the possibilities with Higgsfield AI.